Welcome to Saitechinfo channel, my dear students. Let me give a brief introduction about Python. The main command of Python is to start with print. Print hello world within the parenthesis and within the inverted quotes. So this hello world is the text string. String is nothing but the collection of characters, or you can say string of some characters. So it should be always mentioned within the double quotes. And print here, it means display in Python. And no need to give the capitalization here. So you have to put small letter only. Otherwise it will not run. Then you have to omit the space here. You can put it as such a print continuously, open the bracket and then hello world, put exclamation mark and inverted quote, then close the parenthesis, that is the bracket, so that the output will be hello world like this. And as I already mentioned, it should be the space can be omitted here. And then second is variable. Variable means, for example, name is equal to, you can instruct the computer, name is equal to Manohar or Kala or Raghunan, etc. So, since this value is variable, that is, can be changed. For example, you can call it name Manohar or father's name, son's name. In fact, when you put my name, you should not leave any space. You can put underscore here. And similarly, the variable can be student, then underscore name, or any XYZ, or last name, or author name, etc. But it should not be given as author space name. That is not acceptable. Similarly, last name means last space name. That is not accepted. So it should be given as last, then underscore, then name. That is, the two words can be joined by the underscore. And when you put like this, name is equal to, then Manohar means the output will be Manohar. Okay. Here I have given print Saitech Informatics. The output is Saitech Informatics. And then print hello world, and the output is hello world. Similarly, when we give this as variable, it can be name is equal to, you can leave space gently, so on both sides of the equal sign. So name is equal to Saitech Informatics within inverted commas being string. So the output is Saitech Informatics. You can write anything. For example, you can name as our great Bharat. Okay. Then when we run, it will give you, that is our great Bharat. Okay. And you can change as you like. And even you can change here. For example, country name. Country, but put underscore, don't forget. And here also print country name. Okay. Now let us run. Now you have got our great Bharat. Okay. And similarly, address. And you can change this residential address, underscore. But make sure that in the print command you should give the same residential address. Okay. Residential address. Now let us run. It will give you that is 43 Aridas Main Road, Kolattur, Chennai 99. And this can be given in various lines with this backslash, and it will accept as, that is, flat number, etc. The address is displayed here, but you can change address as address 1, address 2, etc. And the resistance 1 5, resistance 2 12, and in that case you can put total resistance, but you can introduce this integer int of resistance 1 plus resistance 2, so that print total resistance, it will give you, that is, 17. You can change the variable. For example, it can be 25 and this can be 37. So let us run. Now it gives, that is, 62. Variable follow, and then print total resistance. Then x is equal to, you can take any variable, x is equal to 12.4, y is equal to 20.045. So sum, and being decimal, you can introduce this float command. So float of x plus y, so that the print sum means you will get, that is, when we run, you will get 32.445. And even you can change this, x is equal to, that is, 6.022, okay, and this can be 77.0003. Now let us check, and this gives, that is, 83.002.0223, and the sum, and introduce this float, that is, the print sum gives the display 83.0223, and you can take any value. For example, that is, a is equal to 2.3, b is equal to 12.4. now product is equal to, that is, a, and being integer you can put, if it is a float, decimal means you can introduce this float of what, that is, a into b. That's it. Okay, now let us print, that is, display what, product. Okay, now let us run, and you will get 28.52. Are you able to follow?